Hold on. Hold on, Bobby. Hold on. Okay, ready to go here? All right, come here. Welcome to the vlog. It's my first day off in a while. I'm gonna accomplish a lot today. Ooh. Thank you. All right, come on, let's go over here. You cannot make a mess. Just a taste. Messy boy. Messy boy. You're a messy baby. Okay, let me explain. Welcome to the vlog. This is a home improvement edition continuing on the Soffit repair. Since the last video, I've done 0.0 amount of work because under the door cover, I wanted solid. However, I'm going to begin the pattern, the ratio of vented solid, vented solid, vented solid. This town has no vented brown. I want to accomplish a lot. I have no materials. Freak out, she's coming. Freak out, she's sicker. Extra for you. If they have them here, it's because they're hidden. I'm gonna have to cut them in the parking lot with this guy. 12 feet won't fit in the Jeep. Vented. All right. Meatball, let's get two to start with. And one solid. You ready? Okay, let's go home.
For shopping at the Home Depot.
What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it? Meatball, meatball. All right, let's go home. Let's go home. Okay. Yep. Let's take a moment. This is a new stain. It's a new color. It's just a nuance of a little more red, a little more cedar, but man, it is cleaned up and shiny. Before April or May, everything will be done. Flower beds, that's already new stain. This is today's project. So, this job will not be completed in this video, but this is my way of just checking in. Yeah. Also, I should say, remember the woodwork inside? Remember the woodwork inside the U-Haul? Yeah, that was cypress, and I stained it black. It was gorgeous. I have decided I'm doing it to the roof here. More money, more time. Meatball, you want to come inside? Come on. All right, let me interrupt the song. This is probably the access point that anything has ever crawled up in my attic. This is it. Yeah. And what that also means, this is probably not the best dehydrated feces to breathe in. So obvious that this is the problem. What's interesting is I have a light socket I didn't know, so that's not good. That's why we're here. not done, but I have to be done today. I'm not happy about my corners. I still feel like I'm not happy about my corners. I feel like I can artistically fix them. Oh, not construction handyman fix them, but I can artistically fix them. Yes. Okay. So the white duct tape is what holds these in place before I can take this J channel and catch them all. This is definitely a two-man job, and one man is doing it. It's 3 o'clock. I can safely close this up for the night, and let's restore the flower bed. So this day looks like it's deteriorating as I am, but I will tell you that this is the quintessential example of what this project is, of what I'm doing between now and rainy season. And that is working away around the house, and I am replacing the soffit. I am freshening up the stain and all of the flower beds next to the house. This day is not going to allow me to hook up the electric. I'll make that part of the Instagram promotion for this YouTube channel. Speaking of this YouTube channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you next week.